Today, my friends and I are going to present about benefit of organic farming in the perspective of agriculture sector towards a green economy. My name is Anuja Anupapan Rajendran. My metric number is 17 DUP1 and F2998.
My name is Manisha Priya Anna Prompa Sarawanan. My metric number is 17 DUP 19F 2029 and the another presenter name is
My name is Nur Atika Syahira binti Abdullah and my metric number is 17DUP19F2009 and the next presenter is
My name is Nurul Syafiqah binti Muhammad Anwar. My metric number 17DUP19F2030.
Okay, now I'm going to present about definition of the green economy and role of organic farming in the perspective of agriculture sector towards a green economy. The Green Economy Initiative is designed to assist government in greening their economies by reshaping and refocusing policies, investments and spending towards a range of sectors such as clean technologies, renewable energies, water services, green transportation, waste management, green buildings and sustainable agriculture and forest management. A green economy can be defined as an economy that results in improved human well-being and reduced inequalities over the long term while not exposing future generations to significant environmental risk and ecological scarcities. UNEP 2010. There is no other sector that touches so many important aspects of the green economy as defined above as agriculture. It, it still represents the most important source of income for the majority of the world's population. It produces most of the food we need. Uses approximately 40% of the land area, provides a number of key goods and services needed by society, provides some ecosystem services while restoring even more. It is only second to energy as a source of greenhouse gas GHG emission is the driver of a nine-fold increase of active nitrogen in the biosphere and the main cause of water pollution, just to mention a few. 2005. Benefits of organic farming in the perspective of agriculture sector towards a green economy. Firstly, is direct economic benefits for the farmer, trader and processors from the production itself. For an example, the higher price and or lower cost. Economic development itself provides the impulse towards more sophisticated and more efficient marketing system. This has clear implications for agriculture production and the marketing system that direct that production and distribute the output to the points of its conceptions. Secondly, economic benefits for society in the form of employment in the whole value of chain. The impact of green economic growth on productive employment creation depends on not only on the rate of growth but also on the efficiency by which growth translates into agriculture sector. There is usually a need to increase both the number of jobs and productivity as well as income from employment. That's all from me. Thank you. Next, I will pass the slide to next presenter.
Analysis how the key environment benefit of organic farming. Reduce exposure to hormone chemical. Pesticides are commonly used by farmers to enhance agriculture with from the limited amount of land. As a side effect, eventually leads to soil pollution in the long run. Signature chemistry commonly improved to support process like crop rotation, create soil erosion, which is a detrimental environment. Consumer less energy. Organic farmer does not dig and plant nature as compared to traditional garden methods that are based heavily on toxic chemical. Organic nature environment adds to a larger cost of energy conversion. This is due to the fact that prepared chemical needs a larger amount of energy to produce. Reduce nature runoff include pollution. Nitrogen is the key ingredient in the manufacture of fertilizer used in traditional farming. The product of nitrogen has a severe influence on wildlife habitat and damages the environment water bodies. Organic farming does not depend on signature nitrogen-based technology. There is not nitrogen runoff. Facility healthy soil formation. Natural farming processes are the heart of organic farming and they are considered support of chemical soil management in terms of long-term soil effect. Organic nature ensures the soil is healthy and more usable with the carbon and nitrogen cycle with balance. The natural nitrogen fixated in the soil is also boosted due to the considered preservation of benefit bacteria. Next, I will pass to next presentation.
Let me tell how organic farming benefit the environment. Okay, first is reduce export to pesticides and chemicals. Chemical pesticides also hinder wise farming technology like cover crop and crop rotation, which may lead to damage and other severe environmental issues. The second one is organic farming builds healthy soil. To grow nutritious food, you need to good soil to begin with. If you use chemical pesticides and chemicals on the soil, you can end up having soil that can't flourish on its own. Number 3 is combination erosion. A large research comparing nearby organic and full of chemicals wet field found that the organic area had 8 more inches of topsoil and just one-third the water loss of the chemically treated area. Number 4 is fighting the effects of global warming. A healthy organic agriculture system can actually reduce carbon dioxide and help slow climate change. Number 5 is organic farming support water conservation and water health. Water scarcity and poor water quality are deep issues. When our water supply is challenged, both people and environment suffer. Number 6 is discouraging algal blooms. Algal blooms have a negative impact on human health as well as the health of marine creatures of species. Number 7 is supporting animals' health and welfare. Organic farming not only helps to retain more natural habitat areas, but it also encourages birds and other forms of nature to live contentedly on field, helping to control pests and naturally. Number 8 is organic farming encourages biodiversity. The more the biodiversity on a farm, the more stable it is. Organic farming promotes healthy biodiversity, which is important for a farm's response to difficulties like severe weather, illness, and pests. This only about the how organic farming benefit to the environment. The next presenter is Atika. I will pass to her. Thank you.
Okay, I will present about important benefit of organic farming. Number one is organic farming is getting important when people are polluting the soil and environment with harmful chemical and pesticides. The next one is organic farming allow you to improve your soil with organic compost while also protecting in from pollution. The next one is soil is the source of many food crops. The food we acquire from organic soil is also healthy for our health. The next one is organic farming contribute to a sustainable rural environment, good soil health and ecological balance among other things. And the last one is organic agriculture provide a broader scope for reducing all type of contaminant and ensuring long-term viability. Next slide. This is the continuum of important toxic substance exposure to human, animal, and the environment can be decreased. Next one is contribute considerably to rural life by expanding the number of farms that use such approach, with double the family's revenue as compared to traditional method. Next one is it is extremely effective and provide the high return on organic product. And the last one is organic farm focus on ecologically sound approach such as cultural and biological pest control, avoiding the use of synthetic pesticides in crop and animal production, as well as antibiotics and hormone in livestock production. Next slide. This is our conclusion. Organic farming products food that is more healthy and safe. Organic food is becoming increasingly popular as consumers seek for meals that are perceived to be healthier and safer. Organic food may help to assure food safety from the farm to the table. Organic farming promotes consumer healthy by keeping soil healthy and maintaining environmental integrity. Organic food support a nation consumer health, its quality of the environmental and the economic growth by generating money and in a comprehensive way. And the last one is organic farming is more environmentally friendly than conventionally farming. The last slide. This is our reference for our topic. Thank you.